mobile game Saturday, and today we are doing, let's zoom in a little, Demolition Derby 3. So, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Now let me just show you real quick. Now, I know you saw this, but I got a few new cars. I got this one. This is supposed to look like a Jeff Gordon's blue and red, reddish orange DuPont Flames car from like 2005 or so. I did the best I could. I would do the Rainbow Warrior, but there wasn't enough stripes. And then I got this little thing and this thing. Somehow, wait, let me just show you. Somehow, this thing, this lawnmower, see it's 50,000. This lawnmower costs the same amount as this Formula One car. This ice cream truck, and here, let me get to it. This police car and the school bus. So that's a crazy expensive lawnmower that has 0 speed, but yeah, I guess that's just how it goes sometimes. So we're gonna be test driving this thing. Now you can do this with any car. Now we're gonna be doing police chases, and we're gonna be starting in the salvage yard. So pretty much what's gonna happen is there's police cars on the road. Now these are the maps where all the tracks and Demolition Derby arenas are. So if you hit the cop, the police car, then yeah, they start chasing you. So our goal is to try to get away from them and try to beat them all, because they do because if they crash enough, they will eventually not be able to use them anymore. So if we beat them in one of the maps, we will go to a different one, or we'll just go to this, or we'll just do it again. But the only one we can't do is the Mayan ruins, I think. I'll check, but I don't think there's any traffic there. So, salvage yard is where we're gonna start. Alright, let's wait for our boost to get full. I already see police cars. Alright. Alright. So, if I just drive over here, oh, the rain is small. Oh, by the way, these little toolboxes right here, these give you coins and items, so I can't show you now. But you can see there is a police car, so now if I hit it, the sirens go on and he's gonna start chasing me. How do I know this? Well, just watch. Ready? There. So, we're gonna try to get as many as we can, eventually defeat all the police cars that are in this map. I feel like this is just a small town county, but yeah. Gonna try to get them all. So, ooh, a double up here. And so, this is gonna be 4 police cars coming after us right now. And there's our 5th victim. Get over here. So we're using the Cricket. This is the base car, but I've upgraded it fully. Why do they always get air when I first hit them? It makes no sense. Oh, car crash. There's another one. We have to have like 7 of them on us already. Oh. That one might be stuck on the wall. We'll see. Now, you see, sometimes they don't chase necessarily that well, but the point stands still. Alright. We're gonna turn around here. Oh my goodness, they're stacking up over there. What just happened? Is their car upside down? No, they're not. That was nearly catastrophe. Oh no! Oh, I'm boxed in. Come on. Oh, come on. Get me out of here. gonna get out of here if this guy backs up. Taxi! No, the taxi! Yes, the taxi! The taxi is the overpowered car. Note to self, I need to get the taxi in the game. Yes, the taxi! The wonderful taxi. Alright. Gonna make a quick turn right here. Oh no, he spun! Oh, they're all going wide. I'm just gonna sit here and watch for a second. Oh, that's a palm tree. Oh! Okay. Yeah, we gotta get it moving. So, see, the toolbox of coins. So, let me just collect these ones real quick. It's 200. I know there's one in this map that gives you like 500, but I don't know how to. I know how to get it, but it's very difficult to. Be able to, and I have them following me all over the places. Oh, one's upside down. One's upside down. He's done. He's done. Alright, so oh, there's one. See what I mean? Now he's done because he's got fire coming out of them, and the tires are pretty much killed. Anywhere else? We had a bunch more than just that coming after me. Oh, there's a few up here. There's some more police cars. Once we don't see any more for a while, that's when we're classified as done. So as we head down the dirt road, we're gonna burst through here. Now we're gonna head down this little alleyway. Is this a sewer? I don't know. Now I've tried going left or right before those doors don't break. So yeah. Brake hard right there. There's a toolbox right there. Oh, there's not. Okay. Thing is just a cardboard box. Alright. Why are they not chasing me? Wait a minute, I think I know where they're at. Alright. We'll check there in a second. Oh, you can see more smoke. Oh, a lot more. A lot more done. Oh, I saw one. I saw one. But you can see a lot of them now have just smoke and steam coming out of them. Get pinned. Alright. Oh, he's stopping traffic. We're stopping traffic over here. 2, 3 of them right there that are done. Here, I'll let this guy out. Alright. Now, I think I might have just boxed myself in. Why does he have a car on top of him? He's gone now. Now, watch this. Ready? Oh, that went south pretty quick. There's another one that's done just right there. I'm gonna back up here. And alright, I have an idea. That guy just missed it big time. Alright. Here we go. So let's be through. Okay. There's one that is right there. Oh my gosh, look at all the smoke and fire. Yeah, we've got most of them. He's stuck on this thing. Get off of that. I told you, but you can lose wheels in a test drive. So now we're down to the 3 wheels. That might be an issue. If we lose both the front wheels, we are screwed. So we gotta be careful here. Oh man, we're getting big shove from that police car. Yes, I can. And there's a giant amount of tires and there's toolboxes. That's good. Come on. Oh, come on, this little 3-wheeled cricket. That's literally the name of this car, cricket. Here we go. Oh, come on. Come on, now get off of this thing. Get off of it. Oh, yes, okay. No, you cannot tell me. Are you joking? We lost the other front wheel. Oh, he's done. Is there any more? Yep, there is. I'm gonna have to hope that they hit me and then that's it. Oh, he just took out a taxi. Oh, we got nailed. Yeah, I think we're done, and there is only one left. Come on. I guess this guy's front-wheel drive. Kinda doesn't make sense. All right, we're done. We're going back to the garage. All right, so that one was pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie. So now we're going to downtown Delmere. So this is where tracks like a Boardwalk Run or a bunch of other stuff is. So I'm gonna see what happens here. Now, the first thing we gotta do is find some police officers. I think I saw one around this corner. Yep, there's one. Alright, this is going to be a lot harder because this is a lot bigger of a map. So, we're going to see what happens here. Oh, wow, that's a massive ramp. I'm totally going to hit that. Yeehaw! I think I needed more speed for that. Oh, no, I missed. There he is! Go, go, go! After this, I know where I'm taking, where he's gonna be chasing me. For now, we're gonna be heading up this thing. Oh my goodness, he's down there. That's for sure. Here we go. Oh, toolbox. Bunch of toolboxes. How did I miss that? That is not fair. Alright, here we go. Collecting them. Anything else? No? Okay then. Yeehaw! Oh. Don't know if that police officer is necessarily chasing me anymore, but we'll see. We will find out. Alright, let me get out of here. Looks like we have a little intersection crash. Oh, there's another police car. Alright. See, this map is a lot bigger than Salvage yard, so it's going to be a little bit difficult. Oh, there's another one. route plan, so we'll see where that takes us. Alright, we gotta brake hard right here. Over this way. There's another police car. Oh, there's two more. Impact. Get over here. Alright. Whoa! See you later. Alright. Now it is time to head up this hill. Up, they should be coming after us soon. Toolbox, give me credits. Here we go. Oh, another toolbox. That one's closer to the edge, so we're going to be a little bit careful. Driving up here, which is kind of weird, but understandable. Alright, into a tunnel. I don't even know if they're chasing me anymore, so that's kind of weird, but yeah. Alright, here we go. Another toolbox. Brake hard, brake hard! That was close. Now we gotta go over a bridge. And there's two more toolboxes right here. One and two. I don't even know where they're at. What the heck is this? It's like all a carved out area down here. Actually gonna turn around right here. As much as I like those S's, we're gonna turn around. We're gonna take this route down here. Now we're gonna go into the mountain where they not only have a river, they have some nuclear bombs. And a waterfall. So yeah, it's definitely interesting. Yeah. By the way, if we get, we're almost only 10,000 away from getting the next car, so we're earning it just by driving around. So that's cool. But, yeah, I really don't know where they're at anymore, and if they're even chasing me. Either way, we are getting a lot of coins from this, so that's good, but, yeah, I don't see them anywhere. Oh, there they are. They have been chasing me this whole time. Go, 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 go. Alright, where are we going next? The docks. That's right. Oh, I thought I saw even more glowing lights over there. I'm like, ah! Alright. Around this turn right here. Over to the docks. This map is really detailed. tiny box of tools. I think I just confused them so hard that they don't know where they're at anymore. That's interesting. Oh, I probably should have realized there's a drop right there. Oh, one of them's done. So they are here. Let's see if they're still following us. We're on the beach. Yep, there they are. It's right there. Go, 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 go. I think that's the last one. Let's see though. Whole bunch of toolboxes. How did I miss that one? It's now an off-road chase. I don't think he knows how to drive. He doesn't seem to have the police car in a sand mode. But let's see how good he is in water. Welcome to the lake. The ocean. One of the two. Did he seriously crash on that? Oh gosh, he's coming after us again. Actually, this probably leads to where a bunch of those other random ones are. No way he's followed us into this. He's seriously not coming? How far out can we go? There's the wall. Alright. Oh my gosh, he keeps crashing. Oh, and he is done. We are in the ocean, but he is done. Alright. Now it's time to go to the canyon. We're gonna say we're done with downtown. With the downtown area. Now we gotta head to the canyon. Alright. So we spawn in at this little gas station. Fill up here. Oh wait, we don't have. Don't have a gas can, so it doesn't matter. So this is one of the smaller maps with road, so it's gonna be a lot easier to find them. By the way, we can do that. Oh my goodness gracious, that was amazing. Let me just go into photo mode real quick. Up, over. I mean, just look at that car. That is just amazing. I did not expect that when I did the example, but alright, I'll take it. Alright, here we go. We're gonna keep on chasing. We're police officers. And their cars. So, as soon as we find one, we're smacking into it. Alright, there's one. It only took half the map. Oh my goodness, what just happened back there? Oh, he crashed into that guy. Now he's gonna crash into the cactus. Oh, nope, he didn't. Alright. Move. Keep it going. Go. Alright, here we go into a highly banked curve here. This thing's bobbling and I don't know if I like it. Here we go. That's another one right there. Oh, and I ended him immediately. No, I did not. He comes back onto his tires. Oh, no. Oh, look out. Whoa. Oh, did they just go ahead and head back there? I think they did. Alright. Around the corner. Just try. There's another one. Get out of the way. Oh, no, I missed him. Come on, turn already. Turn. Oh, this guy's gonna. Oh! Big hit. Oh, wow, they flipped a car on their side. Alright. Good to know. Good information. Salvage yard, we lost. Barely, though. We lost it by one car. Downtown, we won. Oh my goodness, he's stuck. He's perched up. I'm gonna hit it. Oh, there he goes. He's good. Alright. Get me the heck out of this little box. Alright, there we go. Oh, they're stuck head on head. No. Turn. Get me out of here. Good. Alright, I got out of their little jail lock system. Whatever that was. Oh man, that was a beautiful J-turn with an assist from me. That was an amazing J-turn. Alright. Here we go. 3 of them right in a row. Oh my goodness, we're gonna have a lot to handle here in this tiny little map. Oh my gosh, that guy came out of nowhere. Oh, wow. Alright. Oh my goodness, they're jumping everywhere. I don't know what's happening anymore. They're taking pedestrians with them. I got away from that mess. Here we go. Pile into the back of them. Alright, now the only thing left to do is just run away and get chased. So we'll see what happens here as they all come after me. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. I probably should have been trapped like 3 times just there alone, but we found a way. We found a way out. So as we completely missed this jump, we're gonna have all of them come crashing down nearly on top of me. That's good to know. Let's see how good they are. Let's see how good they are at off-roading. I don't think police cars can handle off-roading too well, but we'll see. We'll see. Get me up here. They're all gonna go flying over me clear. Alright. Let's keep it going. Let's see what's even up here. Oh my goodness, what a boost. What a boost. Oh, they've been waiting for me, and then I'm going over. I'm flipping. Yeah, let me go. Let me go. He's got me in a headlock. There's a car. Oh! He's got me in a headlock and turns the cars, and now I'm getting ran over by everybody. Get away from me. Oh, he's trying to pit. He's trying to turn me. He's trying to pit maneuver me. There he goes. He's gonna get turned for that one. I'm gonna turn this guy. Never mind. I'm gonna be the one getting turned. So I think I had 7 or 8 of them on me. I definitely see 2 of them done, and I don't see any others than the ones that are behind me. There's an escape trailer behind this thing, so we're gonna. I know there's a trailer behind this thing, so we're gonna say that's our escape. If we get to it, why are all of them just gone? Like they don't even care. I see the trailer. Come on, go 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 go. No 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 no. Oh, what a move! What a move! Oh, that guy's up against the cactus. Oh, big hit. Come on, I just gotta get into the gosh darn trailer. Come on, he's pushing me to it. There we go, we're in. Alright. We're in. I'm gonna call that a success. Let's head. Actually, I'm gonna end it here. So if you want to see more, leave a like and subscribe. Do all that stuff. See you in the next one.